simple as you can see, I'm going to make a beautiful courgette recipe this evening. I got some courgette peppers and tomato. It's a healthy recipe. It's a recipe which, a lot of people, I think a lot of people may love it. Some people may not love it, but my advice for you, you can give it a go at home. All right. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, Chef Ricardo From Poverty to Purpose. The book is on my Amazon. You will see a few bits and pieces with the book through the video. All right. So stay blessed and enjoy it. Good vibes. Good vibes, people. Good vibes. Long time I come back into the kitchen. I take a little break out of the kitchen. Alright. Yeah. So sometimes it's just nice to take a break from the kitchen and allow the kitchen for do his own thing. So that's what Chef Ricardo normally do. Take a break from the kitchen and relax and come back. God, this thing will drain you out. You get what I mean? Yeah, it will drain you out. Alright? So today, I'm going to give you a recipe of, it's like a healthy stir-fry vegetable. I love this recipe because, anything to lose weight and detox the body, that's Chef Ricardo. I'm interested. And I'm learning a lot of new recipes and a lot of new ideas of things which you guys can also make at home in the kitchen, and this is one of them which I'm going to tell you. Say, listen, I don't understand how people doesn't understand this recipe is an amazing, incredible recipes, something totally different which you can also make at home, something which not gonna get you too bored, something which gonna help you with your immune system, and yeah, it's life game changing recipes, and that's where I am at the moment. This kind of recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Yeah, welcome back again to the kitchen, Chef Ricardo. You know you go, we have to do what we have to do and make it. Yeah, 100%. Alright, so first of all, we got some vegetables. I'm gonna move this and put this one side. You know the thing already. Yeah, that's the vegetable we're going to be using. Remember, you can also get yourself a copy of the book. If you want to support Chef Ricardo, you can support Chef Ricardo. It's only two things you can either do for me is pray for me and ask the Lord to bless me, or you support me and buy my book. That's the only thing you can do. Alright? Yeah man, a good vibes. So next week, we have a plan for next week. Next week gonna be a beautiful week because we have a whole of healthy recipes coming up next week, because I learned a lot of new recipes and new things. It's still healthy recipes. You know what I mean? As in spite of all I've been learning, it's still healthy recipes. Next week, we want to do one whole week of detoxing of the body with beetroot juice. Alright? I've been touching base from that over the last couple of weeks, and I'm going to be doing it next week. Big up Earsism and big up all of the people. Craig, what's going on, man? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Megan TMTV, big up yourself. Thank you so much. And Esther Delicious, thank you so much. Alright, we are here back in the kitchen again with another episode from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, let's put the book aside. Let's get this thing up and running. No time to learn. Alright, Yeah, man. We don't have time for muck about in the kitchen. Yeah, medium sized pot. So these are some new recipes which I've been trying out. Even when I went for a little bit of time with my daughter, you know, we have to spend time with the kids. It's not all about in the kitchen. All at home, stuck at home and I do video and all them things. You have to get up and go spend time with the kids and make them happy. Alright? Yeah. So we're going to be making a beautiful video of one of my healthy recipes which I like to use and I like to make at home. So today we're gonna show you exactly how to make it. And remember, get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself a copy of the book, guys, and support. Simple. We now use too much oil. Roughly about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're using the virgin oil. Alright? Yeah, man. Well, Vanessa, big up yourself. Welcome back on the show with Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? Extra virgin olive oil. That's what we're going to be using. You know, very good for the immune system. I'm gonna get some of your favorite, guys. Garlic. You know what I mean? I love garlic, man. I miss my garlic over the last 2 weeks. Over the last couple of days. Because, you know, I love my garlic. Alright, excellent. Now, yeah, so I'm back in the kitchen with some new recipes for you guys. And this is one of the recipes, trust me. Alright. Christmas is around the corner, man. That's Chef Ricardo Frames. That means you don't watch Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. You just come in on the show. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I know say Chef Ricardo Frames, you know, we orders are running what. Chef Andre, what's going on? Long time. Happy New Year, man. Nice to see you coming on the show. Long time. Alright. That's what makes Chef Ricardo, you know. So you're one of my new customer. You're welcome. One of my new customer. Don't know what's going on. Alright, watching you. You're welcome, man. Alright. Yeah, so this is what's going on in the kitchen. We're going to be making a nice, beautiful recipe today. Something different. And yeah, man. So right there, as you can see, we are starting off with some carrot. And garlic. Yeah, man. That's some spring onion. That's some red onion. So you're going to start take off them in the pot. New recipes from Chef Ricardo, guys. These recipes are amazing. I'm gonna be using some courgettes, you know what I mean? Beautiful recipe, I'm telling you. recipe where I was telling you guys, try and make this at home in your spare time. Excellent recipe. Nice one. Look at that. It's a quick stir fry this evening. You know what I mean? Because I'm hungry now. Very, very hungry. And cooking and more. Big up yourself, man. Happy summer. Yeah, man. And cooking and more is up on it. Excellent. And cooking and more. I hear a recipe this, you know. Let me know you love courgette. Excellent. That's some peppers. Alright, that looking good. Look at that. See that? It's like going to the kitchen, guys. Alright. Back to business, Chef Ricardo. Tomato. Craig, are you a recipe listener? Can I get some organic aubergine from Esther Delicious? Because the organic stuff she said. Yeah. Peppers, like chilies. Not too much. There it is, chili. Excellent. And that looking good. See? That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So we're gonna put some of your favorite. Alright guys. Yeah man. Little bit of paprika, some of your favorite, little bit of spicy Cajun season, just gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. Yeah, mix it together. Look at that. Yeah man. That's what I'm talking about. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, Hans Cooking and More. Big up yourself. Catch you later on. Catch you on another one. Chef Ricardo black pepper. Leave me now with Chef Ricardo, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. I'm gonna put some of my favorite inside of it to bring in that lovely flavor. Just a few grains. So this, perfect for weight loss. Alright. Yeah, man. This is Hans kind of cooking and more. This is all Craig cook at home. Here's him. Look at this, man. This is amazing. Now that is finished. Let's turn off the cooker, because it's not something you want to overcook too much. All right. So what we're gonna do, put some ginger. All right. Yeah. Just wanna put some ginger in it, and that ginger gonna sweat, bringing that lovely flavor to it. Excellent. So I give that a few minutes. Then we'll serve it with our special vegetables. Lovely. Now, this is what I like to serve it with. My favorite. Some rough chopped coriander. And finish it off with some rough chopped coriander, guys. That is amazing. Nicole, good morning. Definitely, you have to finish it off with some rough chop. Hey Rose, what's going on? Yeah man, nice to see you coming on the show. Long time. Welcome back. To Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright. Then normally we serve it like this. Exclusive service. Yeah, that looks amazing and delicious. So it's not a video which is going to take 3-4 hours. It's just a quick little recipe, and we're going to put it one side. And alright, yeah, get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes. If you missed the first copy, now I am congratulations to everyone who has brought the book and support Chef Ricardo. I need to take the time to do that video to thank you guys. Okay, now there is a breaking news at the moment at the book. The price of the book jumped, guys. I couldn't believe. All right, the price of the book jumped to 0%. Go and get yourself a copy right now. Go and get yourself a copy of the book. Alright, Hans, this is your type of cooking. Alright? Yeah. So, you want to do, you start it off with a little bit of vegetable like that, and then you just put some nice lovely racket in it. Get that right there, guys. Alright, just like this. Okay, beautiful and nice. Look how easy and simple. You know what I mean? No rocket science of making this at home. You don't need any degree to make this at home. Alright? Very simple and delicious. Alright? Yeah, good vibes. Beautiful trick. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for welcoming back Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Alright? Yeah, man. Now what you have to do, sometimes you have to take away a little bit of the time, you know what I mean? Then some more coriander. So I'm gonna put some of your favorite. Alright. You know what I mean when I say your favorite, guys. Yeah. Wow. Now. Alright, this is your favorite. Avocado. That's the protein right there. Very simple and delicious, as you guys can see for yourself. So that's what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. Alright. Now you guys can do the same thing at home and make this beautiful dish. It doesn't take much time to make, you know what I mean? Depends upon your kind of cooking. So yeah, put a little bit of pepper and you're good to go. Excellent. What do you think about that, guys? Now if you guys want to see more healthy recipes like this, you know exactly what to do, let Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean, get it done for you, and we can also do it right there. But as you can see for yourself, that is just excellent and an amazing. Hans Cooking and More, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Just come back in the kitchen, guys. I take a little bit of time from the kitchen and cook some food because, you know, you have to be careful with the electric and the gas bill and the water bill and all them things there. You get what I mean? Yeah, good vibes. So you have to take a little break and don't make the gas and electric bill run up sky high blue. Because yeah, so you have to take a little break from it, and you know, good vibes, good vibes. So let's do some more cooking and some more healthy recipes for this week, guys. All right, now please join Chef Ricardo. We've been talking about 1 week beetroot juice. We're gonna be starting it next week, Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're gonna be doing beetroot juice for 1 week straight. Please join me. We're gonna be doing that next week, guys. Fantastic. All right, 1 week straight of beetroot juice and whatever you want to put it with. Now, the message about the beetroot juice is all about, you know, beetroot is good for you, help make the blood flow, and you know what I mean, detoxing the body, cleansing the body, and a lot of stuff. Earsism, we've been talking about this over the last 2 weeks ago. But I said, guys, I'm gonna take 1 week off, and then we're gonna come back and do 1 week beetroot juice. All right. So this Monday coming, we're gonna start it. So go to your supermarket, stack up yourself with some beetroot juice, beetroot, some ginger, lime, and lemon. You can mix beetroot with carrot, beetroot with pineapple, beetroot with apple. It's up to you. But I've been learning a lot of stuff over the last few days about your human being health. I'm not gonna share those kind of recipe, those kind of ideas with you guys yet. I'm just gonna go and do some healthy recipes because I know, and I learn a lot of stuff, and I can use those to share with you guys also. But I'm not gonna start sharing them, and not until in the winter month. Now, I got a special recipe for the winter month, which is gonna help a lot of people who are suffering with cold and flu and coughing. And that is one of the most powerfulest recipe ever make. It is like 250 years old. None of you guys who are watching the videos don't never live for 250 years of this channel. So unhurt. Alright, so it's gonna be a brilliant one. Stay tuned in and I'm gonna show you how to make that one in the week ahead. Coming powerful. I learned those recipes and I get a lot of training and some healthy recipes. And I'm telling you, this is what I learned. Is what you put into your body is what show on the outside. Remember, if you put in something good gonna show outside. If you put in something bad things gonna come on the outside. So always eating healthy and look after your immune system is one of the best things you could ever do. And I will tell my worst enemy on this earth, eating healthy is good. It's not gonna be perfect every day, but at least if you are trying your best, eating a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruits and alkalizing your body and detoxing your body and take your vitamin B12, your vitamin D, and also do some cleanser in your immune system and cleanse your column on a regular basic. Honestly, you can live for 150 years upon this earth. Good vibes. Alright, thank you so much. Welcome back, Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Thank you so much, every one of you guys who are supporting me. I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Yeah. I got some new recipes. Recipe where, you know what I mean, is for the winter month, which I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay? It's gonna be some simple stir fry vegetables where you guys can make at home. Alright? The B1 vitamin, but yep, B12 and vitamin B12 is very good. And the column cleanse. Column cleanse is one of the most important one I've been learning on a lot. Alright? Yeah, the column cleanse, you need to cleanse your column. Empty your column. Just like how you empty your car engine oil. You need to empty your column and, you know what I mean, flush out your column. You know what I mean, every other couple of months you do that one. Alright? Because sometimes some food stuck up in your stomach for 6-7 years and it take long to remove. You need to remove it like rice and pasta and the meat and the chicken and the lamb and the beef and the pork. You stay there in it like this. This is how I stay. Look at the pot. Alright? That's how I stay like in the pot. You see it? So you're gonna have to wash out the pot if you move these things. Alright? Yeah man. Aloe vera, very good too. Yeah man. Very, very good. So when time things stuck up inside of your column is like the pot. You know, when time your pot, you have to wash your pot and you have to wash your plate when the gravy left there. It's the same thing with your column. You need to cleanse it out. Good vibes. We got a lot of things up, you know. We have a lot of stuff, guys. Holy bar new recipes and new ideas. It's crazy. You're never too old to learn. Remember that. And when you're 2,000 years old, you're never too old to learn. You learn something new. Alright? So that's what I've been telling you today. I have some new recipes and new ideas. And a massive welcome back in the kitchen with you guys. Great thing. Alright, I'm going to close the show. Thank you so much again for the support, Craig and Esther Delicious, Beautiful Trick, E Rose, all of my subscribers. Craig is in the building. Big up on yourself. And Chef Art, big up yourself. And you know what I mean, big up all of my friends who are supporting me all the way in Turkey right now. Big up them every time. Alright? Big up my Facebook page. I really appreciate you guys 100%. And I will be sooner with some new recipes and new ideas. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Good vibes. Alright? In the kitchen. So we're going to close the show this evening. Alright? We're not going to be keeping too long with it. Oh yes, Chef Ricardo.